Hello everyone, welcome to the 24th lesson of our course, which is a part of the course 30 Days to a Powerful Vocabulary. And this is the 24th lesson wherein I am going to discuss a few obscure words for colors, different colors that we have in English. And it is going to be really interesting and different to know, right? So they are unknown, you might have not heard of them ever. So they are a little less popular names for the colors, and today we'll do the words which start with A to H. This course is presented by me, Harshada Jain. I am pursuing my graduation from Delhi University. I am a CSC aspirant and I'll be writing my exam in 2019. If you have any questions, do let me know in the Academy comment section. And if you like this course, do rate and review and recommend this lesson. Here is somewhere the recommend option. The first word that we have is albicans. Now, albicans means something that is growing or becoming white, right? So, albicans stands for that. So I can't explain anything here. There'll be nothing to explain in this, but you'll just have to hear what these colors are and then retain the meaning. The next word is amaranthine, which stands for some unfading deep purple red color. Okay, so deep purple red color is what amaranthine is the word for. The next word is aubergine. Aubergine is the word for dark purple color, right? So aubergine is the word for a dark purple color. The next one is azure. Now azure means sky blue, heraldic color blue. Okay, so azure means heraldic color blue. The next one is celadon. Now celadon means a willow green color. Willow green color is celadon. Okay, so this is the willow green color. So I've also tried mentioning the color. The next one is cinnabar. This you might have heard. This is a little common word. Red crystalline mercuric sulfide pigment. This is also used for that. Deep red or scarlet color. Okay. The next one is ebonine, which is the color for ivory colored. Okay, so ivory colored thing is known as ebonine. The next one is flavescent. Flavescent means yellowish or turning blue. Okay, something that is turning blue or is yellowish is called as flavescent. The next one is hematic. Now hematic means something that is blood colored. Okay, something that is blood colored is called hematic. The next one is hoary. Hoary means something that is pale silver gray colored. And the last is heliotrope, which is purplish hue shaded, and it is also a flower, heliotrope. So now I am done with the things: albicant, amaranthine, aubergine, azure, celadon, cinnabar, eubanine, flavescent, hematic, hoary, and heliotrope. I hope you understood well all these words, and in the next lesson we'll continue with some more words for colors, such words. And guys, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, though I do not expect any kind of questions after this lesson. It was very easy. And still, if you have any questions, please let me know. And this is all just interesting. It has no relation with some exam or something. though they can still help you in exam वगैरह, but it is more for your vocabulary knowledge and vocabulary building. So thanks for watching, and if you like this course and lesson, do recommend and review. Thank you.